To turn it into a print-on-demand store, we'll have to sign up for a service like Printify. You can check down in the description to find our affiliate link, and that'll make sure when you sign up for Printify that you're getting the best possible deal. Simply fill out your information and click Sign Up. Back on Shopify, we'll need to add Printify into our store as an app. We can click on Add Apps and then find Printify here. And if you can't find Printify here on the list, just click on Shopify App Store and you can search for it there. Let's click the download button here. And we'll click Install to install Printify into our Shopify store. Once Printify has been added as an app into your Shopify store, you'll be greeted by this page here. To sign into your account, simply scroll down and find the Sign In button at the bottom. Let's click on that. Now input your information into the email and password fields, and then click on Sign In. Once that's done, I'll meet you at the next step. We've now arrived to the Printify dashboard within our Shopify store. The first thing we'll do here is go to the left-hand side and click on Store Settings. We can configure our store name. I'll change this to read Fur Prints, and then I'll click on Save on the bottom right-hand side. Here we can see our GPSR settings. If you plan on selling products in Europe, make sure you click on I intend to sell in Europe. Next, we'll click on Wallet on the left-hand side, and then click on Payments. You're given a couple options here. You can choose to add money into your Printify balance, or if you scroll down, you can add a payment card. This is an important step when setting up your Printify account, because when a customer orders a product from your store, it's up to you to pay for the product up front before it's shipped out to your customer. So make sure you add money into your Printify balance or add a default card option.